Yeah, okay, so we're here. I am very tired. The time's now 11:15 in the evening, and you can see this is the North Norwegian or the North weather. The sun is, well, it's not up right here, but it's still quite bright. The trip was I don't know, somehow I thought it would be easy. It's like we normally drive here for 40 minutes, so it's an easy trip, but I don't know why I didn't think of it, because like when I bike at the studio, I normally 10 kilometers takes me 45 minutes at least. 45 minutes. And now this was actually, and another thing that surprised me is the last bit, which I thought was very short, was actually the longest. So it was in total 35 kilometers. That's the longest I've ever biked in one go. Yeah, I think I have never biked that long, so that's quite an achievement. So yeah, but I think I will just speed up the process. I will start. I think I have to use some more sugar, because I don't know how many calories I've had. Even though it's a good thing, I just don't know how many calories I've burned today. I was quite heavy. But it's so beautiful here. I'm so happy. And I'm so happy that I went. There was part of the trip where I was like, why am I doing this? This is so hard. And you can see that is the package on the bike is like 21 kilos. And then I had 6 kilos on my back. Yeah, so it's heavy. Yeah. But it's good. I think I have everything I need. Yeah. So that's quite good. Yeah. I will put up the tent as fast as I can. So maybe I don't know what I will do, to be honest, because now I'm full of energy. But yeah, put up the tent. And this is the food and kitchen stuff. Hi and welcome to GeoCave. If you're new here, my name is Asha. I'm a geologist posting videos about anything geology related. And if you're a real OG, welcome back. In this video, as I said, I biked to an area called Hella outside of Tromsø, and we're going to look on some of the geology here. We have been exploring rocks on Kvaløya before. You might remember that those rocks were from early Proterozoic, meaning it had an age around 2,000 million years old. The rock in this area of Kvaløya is from a much younger rock group, actually the same rock group as the rocks on Tromsdalstind. I will link it up here. But it's metamorphic rocks from the Caledonian mountain chain formation. Yeah, one of the things that I forgot was mosquito repellent. So I'm not sure what to do about that, but let me show you the view with the mountains behind. I will show you more tomorrow, but I will close down for the evening, because now the time is 20 minutes till 12. Yeah, so a late evening. But anyways, test. Yeah, as I said, but there is a test we can do to check if it is marble, and that is that it reacts with acid. I don't know if I have a strong, I've tried it in class, but I think we had a special kind of acid to test it with. So I'm trying this household vinegar, but it's quite strong. It's 35%, so let's see if it works. Let's just talk a bit about marble. Yeah, it's a metamorphic rock that had a sedimentary origin, and it is made of calcium carbonate, and the process of marble is that first you have it's mostly made up of like shells and like mussels and stuff like this that dies and falls to the bottom of the sea, and then it's like slowly under the process of diagenesis, which means just getting pressed down slowly, more and more stuff is stored on top, and then it just get buried, and at one point it is at enough pressure and temperature that it forms what is called calcite or dolomite, and when it's then it's a sedimentary rock. But after that it oh, something is there's a lot of stingy things here. After that it goes through, it can, like, because of the tectonics and the movements of the plates, you know, you have that it's like it can go deep underground, get like in some subduction zone or something, it will get pushed down, and when that happens, it goes through another process where it's even under higher pressure and higher temperatures, and then it forms marble. So that's the process of marble. Yeah, so let's see. Yeah, let's see. I've never tried it this way before. Okay, we will try this. I don't know if, I have no idea if this camera is in focus, to be honest. Just can't see. Okay, let's see here. It should react. I don't know, is it reacting? Is it reacting? It should react. Yeah, well, it is dissolving at least, so that's a sign that it's, you can see here, it is dissolving. So this is actually too strong of a vinegar for my hands to be able to handle, but yeah, you can feel it like it's dissolving. I thought actually it would bubble, but I think you have to have a very strong kind of acid to do that, but yeah, I think it is. Yeah, okay, that's cool. So there's actually just a small cloudberry right outside my entrance to the tent, and yeah, but it's not ripe yet, but very, very cute. So yeah, they're coming. This is a beautiful example of a garnet mica schist. Garnet is a red crystal forming mineral. Mica is another mineral that is kind of a shimmery, and schist is the actual rock which is made up of a mud material. This is the end of this trip to Hella, and yeah, it was such a lovely few days. Just the weather has been perfect, and yeah. So yeah, but I'm biking back today. I think I will drink my tea, and then I will go packing. And yeah, we'll see. Yeah, so that's the end. I don't think, unless I have something to update you on, this is the end. So thank you for watching so far, and I hope you have a good day, a rocky day, wasn't it? It's been a while since I've vlogged. Yeah, I hope you have a rocky day. So, yeah. Yeah, okay, so this is so weird. It's like right in the middle of like there's private housings right behind, and there's like this bus stop. Maybe it's mostly for parking, I don't know. Yeah, anyways, but this is the helleristning, different animals, and yeah, I think it's mostly like farm animals of some kind. It says that these drawings, you might call them, are like from 4,500 before Christ. Some of them were younger, but yeah. The story about the helleristning, as far as I've been told, is that this place used to be a farm, and then there was cows walking around, and they were then they were licking on this wall because there was some kind of moss on it, and suddenly these helleristning appeared. Yeah, that's very cool. Okay, but yeah.